related to the inheritance, selection, and variation. And we are going to solve the MCQs part of this one. Okay, number one, the flower color is controlled by a single pair of allele. Okay, the alleles for red flower is dominant. For example, it can be capital R, let's say, and the allele of white flower are the recessive ones. So we are writing it with small r. So the next question is, sorry, so the question for this is a plant homozygous for red flower is crossed with the plant homozygous for white flower. So as a result, the plants have red flowers. When the F1 generation are crossed with each other, 18 plants were obtained, 12 were red flower and 6 have white flower. What ratio is expected in the F2 generation? So you have to, okay, exactly. You have to take the what? The cross for do the test cross for the heterozygous one. Okay, wait. I'm giving you the options. Here are the options. Here are the options for this one. Expected ratio is 3 to 1, okay. And what is the obtained ratio? Is 3 to 1. And what is the obtained ratio? It's given 12 red and 6 white. Exactly. So 18, oh sorry, 12 ratio 6 is 2 to 1. So our answer would be C. Okay. Next question. In a commercial manufacture of insulin, a human gene is inserted into which of these? Like if you are taking out a gene and fixing it somewhere, where would you fix in biotechnology? A of bacterium, correct. Correct. Third one, a recessive homozygote is crossed with a heterozygote of the same gene. What will be the phenotype of F1 generation? Just take an example of capital R and capital. So we have recessive homozygous and heterozygous of this one. So what would be our expectations? Let's calculate. Okay, yeah. So it will be like this, and then we make a table, Punnett square, and it will be capital R, and it will be this, it will be this, and it will be this. Now tell me the answer. 50%. So 50% dominant and 50% recessive. Okay, a child has a blood group O. What is meant by blood group O? That the both antigens are absent. A and B both are absent. So the question is, what, which couple could be the parent of this child? Here are the options. What would be blood group of father and what would be blood group of mother? It could be A. Yes. If they're heterozygous like AO and BO, then definitely the answer would be O. Must be. Okay. So answer is A. Okay. How do we solve this? C1? Okay, simple. We have O and O, and on one side we have A and B. It would become AO, BO, AO, and BO. Okay. Okay. Which process is used to produce insulin commercially? We have already discussed this. MCQ, it's related to second one. Inserting inserting the human insulin gene into the bacterium. Okay. So next one is two heterozygote are crossed. Some of the offspring show the recessive characteristic. What is the probability? You have to calculate the probability. Yeah. Let's say both are heterozygous. Let's see. So it would be like this. These are the four, one, two, three, and 4. So what is the probability of that? Show the recessive characteristic. That would be 25. So our answer would be B. Okay, that is homozygous. Okay, correct. Which statement about the human group is correct? A person with blood group A cannot have IO allele, it can have O, right? AA and AO. I means the immunoglobulin. Basically, there is a protein present on which these genes are present. So we denote it with I, immunoglobulin. Okay, a person with blood group B may have IBIB or IBIO. It can be. In a person with blood group AB, the IB allele is recessive to IA. No, this is not a case because both codominance. Exactly. The allele IO and IB are codominant and have equal effect on the phenotype. No, they don't have equal effect. So which statement is correct? B. Okay, bacteria can be genetically modified to produce human insulin. What is the possible danger of this process? Okay, let me. First, bacterial insulin is less effective in treating the diabetes. No, it's not true. The genetically modified bacteria may have insulin resistance. So there is no antibody against it, so it cannot be possible. The genetically modified bacteria may produce too much insulin. No, it depends on their division, and not like too much amount cannot be produced. The presence of new gene in the bacteria may alter the way that existing genes work. Yes, it can happen. Okay, it may alter the existing genes because during replication it may happen that mutation may occur. Okay. Okay, which statement about chromosome is correct? Chromosomes are long DNA molecule called genes which are divided into sections. No, chromosome include a long molecule of DNA divided into sections called genes. Yes. So shall we discuss the other one? Okay, chromosome include genes which are divided into section. No, genes include a long. No, so our only answer is B. Okay, in maize, one. What is maize? What is maize? Corn. Corn is maize. Okay, one allele of the particular gene allow chlorophyll production while the other allele prevent this, giving plant with cream color leaves. Okay, now half of the seed. I guess the table is missing. Let me check. Is question number 10? Yes, the table is missing. Let me add the table. Okay, here is the table. Okay. Half of the seeds from a cross between two green-leaved were sown in tray kept in the dark. The other half were sown in the similar condition except they received light. So the table is given. If they're kept in dark, these are the number of leaves, and if they're kept in light, these are the number of leaves. We have to calculate these. How many would be produced? Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So if it's kept in dark, so there won't be any chlorophyll. So we can. 0. Yes. Okay. The plant cell, wait.